All right, we're going to start at -10. We're going to go to 110. So we see our start and our finish. Okay. All right. So the first step we're going to go up, right? So we're going to go from here to here. This is our Q1. Okay. That's our Q1. And then we're going to go from here all the way to here. Okay. That's our Q2. Then we're going to do this from here all the way to the end. Okay, remember these are like sectioned off. So this right here is going to be my Q3. And then we're going to go across. And this is my Q4. And then we're going to go up. And this is my Q5. Okay? All right, so I'm just pre-planning here. Is there any questions on how I divided this all up? So all we need is our formulas then. All right, so for Q1, what are we going to use? Which formula? MC, bless you, delta T. And then Q2, what's our formula for Q2? MHF. Okay, so you can always flip it around. All right, Q3, we have an increase in temperature, so we're going to use MCAT, MC delta T. Q4, we're going to use HV. Okay, remember HV is for the boiling point when you go from liquid to a gas. And then Q5, MC delta T. I did make a mistake right here. That's just MHV, right? All right, so MHV. All right, so now we know which formulas to use. Let's just plug it in. Okay, did you ever see, do you guys have any questions on how I knew what formula to use? All right, so let's go with this first one. Okay, so this first Q1, we got mass, which is 1,000. We got C. What C am I going to use here? Ice. So 2.05. Delta T, what's my change in temperature for this section alone? 10. The section for this goes from -10 to 0. So for this section alone, the temperature change is 10. All right, plus, let's go to Q2. Mass is 1,000 again, times HV, or HF. HF is 334. And that's all I do for Q2. For Q3, mass is 1,000. Okay, what is C for Q3? 4.18. Now, what is delta T for Q3? 100, because I start at 0 and I go to 100. See, we're only using the temperature change for this section only. So the temperature change is 100. Q4, I'm going to use 1,000 as my mass, but this time for HV, 2260. Not done yet. Q5, we got 1,000 for mass. C, we want to use 2.02 because that's steam. But what's the temperature change for Q5? 10. Okay, plug it all in, get your answer. Does anyone have any questions on that? So can you do that for the other problems now, right? Yeah. Okay.